Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm really excited today because we've got Keijo Tuomanen joining us. He's the founder of CMHT and VP of R&D at NICE Group. Keijo, thanks so much for being here. It's awesome to have you.
Thanks, I'm thrilled to chat with you today.
So Keijo, you've had quite a ride in the tech world. Can you walk us through some of the highlights of your career?
Sure thing. I've been in tech for about 20 years now, working with companies like Nokia, Qualcomm, and the Technical Research Center of Finland. My focus has mostly been on product development and innovation, things like IoT, cybersecurity, and home automation. These days at NICE Group, I'm leading the R&D team, working on solutions that tackle real customer challenges.
That's amazing. I'd love to hear what sparked CMHT. What got you started on that?
Honestly, I've always loved sharing what I know about tech, especially how it shapes business. CMHT, or cutting-edge management and high tech, is my way of doing that. Through videos, articles, and consulting, I break down tricky topics and tie them to practical strategies. It's all about helping everyone from startups to big companies navigate the tech world.
That's such a cool mission. What kind of stuff do you dive into on the platform?
Oh, a bit of everything. I cover Europe's new cybersecurity rules, like the NIS2 directive, plus things like the Matter standard for home automation and how AI can shake things up. At Qualcomm, for instance, we used AI and machine learning to manage our patent portfolio, which was a game changer.
Hold up, you mentioned the NIS2 directive. Can you break that down for us? I bet a lot of listeners are curious but might not know the details.
Totally. It's Europe's updated cybersecurity law, pushing companies to lock down their digital systems, especially in sectors like energy or healthcare. It's stricter now, with bigger fines if you don't comply. My videos help businesses figure out what they need to do to stay on top of it.
Super helpful. Now let's circle back to that AI bit at Qualcomm. Patents sound intense. How did AI make that easier? That's wild. 30 patent offices. That sounds like a nightmare to sync up. What was the trickiest part?
Oh, it was a mess at first. Every office had its own setup, different data models, security quirks like session cookies, you name it. We had to get crafty with our own data crawlers, but once we automated it, it saved us so much time and the impact on quality increased tremendously. It was a lifesaver. Back in 2018, we built an AI system to pull together patent data from over 30+ different offices worldwide. It helped us analyze everything, spot gaps, and even decide where to focus R&D or look for acquisitions. For example, if a competitor was dominating a tech area, we'd figure out whether to build our own solution or team up.
Impressive stuff. Now I've heard some folks worry that AI might give big companies an edge, leaving smaller ones in the dust. What's your take on that?
Fair point, but I think tools like open source AI and cloud platforms are flipping that script. Small businesses can tap into these to crunch data or streamline work without spending a fortune.
Love that. Speaking of small businesses, a bunch of our listeners run startups or little companies. Any quick tips for them to jump into AI on a budget?
Keep it simple at first. Pick one spot where AI can make a difference, like automating something repetitive or digging into customer data. Get your team comfy with it, see the wins, and then build from there.
That's solid advice. Okay, let's switch gears a bit. What's got you fired up in tech right now? Any trends you're watching?
I'm really into how AI, machine learning, and healthcare are coming together. Picture AI paired with blockchain to secure medical data could lead to stuff like personalized RNA treatments.
That's mind-blowing. What's the biggest hurdle to getting there?
A few things: data privacy, regulations, and just earning people's trust. It'll take teamwork across industries, but if we nail it, it could change everything.
Let's dream big for a sec. 10 years from now, how do you see AI and IoT changing our everyday lives?
I see everything connected seamlessly. AI and IoT will be all over. Your home, healthcare, even your commute, making life smarter and greener. Your house might tweak the lights based on your sleep, or your doctor's alerted before you even feel sick.
Okay, paint us a picture. What's a typical day like in that world?
You wake up and your smart home's already set the vibe. Perfect temp, lights just right. Your car picks the fastest route to work. At the office, AI sorts your to-dos, and your wearables keeping tabs on your health, flagging anything off. It's all smooth and in sync.
I'd sign up for that. Now, before we wrap, I've got to ask, you've had some fun moments in your career. What's that Nokia duct tape story about?
Haha, yeah! Early on we had an antenna issue, and after overthinking it, we just slapped some duct tape on it, and it worked. It taught me to not overlook the simple fixes.
That's hilarious. Duct tape for the win. What about at Nice Group? You mentioned user feedback being a big deal.
Oh, for sure. We once reworked a home automation feature because users wanted it simpler. It hit me. Tech's only as good as the people using it.
So true. Keijo, this has been such a blast. I love how you keep it practical, starting small with AI, focusing on what matters. Where can folks check out your work?
Head to cmht.tech for my articles or search CMHT or just my name on YouTube. Tons of info to dig into there.
Awesome. Keijo, thanks again for hanging out with us. It's been a treat.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
That's it, folks. Swing by cm8.tech for more of Keijo's insights. Takeaway of the day: start small, solve real problems. Catch you next time.